Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser and then evenly apply toner. Secure the small laser pads on the chin with the strap. Lipo laser reshapes the jawline profile. Settings: duration 20 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode M1. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream. Manual massage. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing them together, then spread it on the abdomen. Alternately knead the belly with both hands. Lift from the waist side to the groin with both of your hands alternately. Repeat on the other side. Alternately push the ascending colon up, the transverse colon sideways, and the descending colon down using both hands. Massage around the navel in a clockwise direction with overlapped hands. Lift the belt vessel on both sides of the waist with both hands alternately. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Lipo laser enhances body shaping and boosts metabolism. Settings: duration 20 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode M1. Choose a strap, short, medium, or long, depending on individual size, and secure it around the recipient's thighs. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the device, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure.